Honor has just introduced a new device for the low to mid-range segment. We are talking about the Honor 200 Lite 5G. Let me provide you with details about the specifications, although if you're a tech enthusiast who enjoys memorizing device specs, you'll probably find it familiar because it's based on the Honor Xi Plus that was introduced in China a few weeks ago. Its strongest points, like many Honor devices, are focused on design and turbo RAM, which by the way works quite well. So, the design stands out for being very slim, measuring just 6.78 mm thick and weighing only 166 g, making it extremely lightweight. The back cover has a slightly more minimalist design compared to what we had recently seen from Honor, but this device also received a 5-star rating from SGS in drop tests. So, just like many other devices from this manufacturer, lately they are being introduced with increased durability in their glass, which is always very beneficial for all users. In terms of the screen, luckily, it is equipped with a 6.5-inch AMOLED display that has a full HD resolution. Moreover, it is furnished with a screen cutout where the magic capsule is positioned, enabling you to answer calls, check the voice recorder, set the timer, and perform other functions in the purest style of the dynamic island of the iPhone. An important highlight of this model is that it features a 50-megapixel front camera, unlike the majority of mid-range devices that have 16-megapixel cameras or less. On the back, we find the main 108-megapixel camera, accompanied by a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and finally a 2-megapixel macro camera. This device comes with a 4500 mAh battery and supports 35-watt charging. The central processing unit is the MediaTek Dimensity 6080, coupled with 8 GB of RAM and an additional 8 GB of virtual RAM. And remember, as I have emphasized numerous times, but I prefer to continue doing it because I have tested virtual RAM on multiple devices and only on Honor has it functioned as intended, indicating that it provides significantly greater agility to the device. I have experimented with other phones where even when you add 8 GB of virtual RAM supposedly, the performance doesn't appear to improve in any way. This device was introduced in France with an initial price of €329, but it is important to remember that prices in different regions may vary. It is worth noting that in France, Honor will include a bracelet and headphones as a promotional offer with the purchase of this cell phone, so I believe the overall package could be more attractive in terms of value for money.